Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Spotify friend activity. To know how to fix or how to solve Spotify friend activity, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to Spotify app. When you'll find this list of app and for we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll go to click storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your phone again, and if it's not working you can go to Play Store to install your app, to uninstall, and you can uninstall it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.